Hi guys, I'm Lynnette, and I just wanted to share with you the amazing results I've experienced over the last few months since I started taking a pain relief supplement called Flex Restore. This is what it looks like. Okay, now just a little bit about me. I've been a workout fiend pretty much my whole life, and I actually started running in middle school and went on to bodybuilding. For me, there's never been a better rush than a great workout followed by a run. And while I'm certainly not the bodybuilder and runner I used to be, I still try to work out at least 3 to 4 days per week. Unfortunately, a few years ago though, I started developing terrible pain in my knees and my hips from lifting weights, doing squats, and the constant pounding on the pavement from running. My knees and hips especially would hurt so bad. I wake up in the morning feeling crippled. I mean, I'm not getting any younger, but still. So not being able to do the things I enjoy doing made me really unhappy. I tried knee braces and all kinds of things for joint relief, but nothing really helped. So I started looking into alternative pain relief options when I came across Flex Restore. And they had a ton of great reviews, and they offered a 60-day money-back guarantee, so I figured, what the heck? I started taking Flex Restore, and within just a few days, the pain in my hips and my knees were much less, and the numbing pain in my legs started going away. Since I've been taking it now for about 3 months, my leg pain is completely gone, and my whole body feels much better, more flexible, and energized. I even signed up for a 5K event next month. Wish me luck. Now, I'm gonna need it. But no, seriously, if you are looking for a natural way to relieve your pain, try Flex Restore. I mean, it worked for me, so if it works for me, it can